Dear viewers, today we will discuss concept of equation. An equation is a mathematical statement that shows that two expressions are equal. Mean when between two expressions sign of equal, we can say that it is a equation. It typically involves variables and symbols such as numbers and operations and is written with an equation sign equal. When between two numbers, this sign we can say that it is a equation. Equations are used to represent relationships between variables and to solve for unknown values. Mean when we have a equation 2x plus 7 is equal to 0, when we find the value of x in equation, we find the values of x or different values of variables. For example, the equation 2x plus 1 is equal to 7 represents a relationship between the variables x and 7 and can be solved for x by isolating x on one side of the equation. Mean 2x plus 1 is equal to 7 is the example of equation, because 2x plus 1 is equal to, here involve sign of equal. When sign of equal is involved, we can say that it is a equation.